Let's take a look at your MT10 practice test. First thing I want you to do is compare and contrast chords, diameters, and radii. So we've got a circle, and a chord connects any 2 points along your circle. That's all a chord does. A diameter is a chord that goes through the center. It's the line of reflection. And then the radius is half the diameter. Or you could say twice 2 radii make a chord. Now in question number 2, we've got decimals and fractions. And let's just do everything as a fraction. So we're told that circle A has a diameter of 18 3/5. So 18 3/5 as a decimal is 18.6. So we know the radius of circle A is 9.3. So what I'll do is I'll label it. That means A to C is 9.3. Then we're told on circle D, the diameter is 40.28. So that means our radius is 20.14. So in other words, we know from D to B is 20.14. We're also told C to D is 12.4. Since C to D is 12.4, I can find B to C, although that's not what they asked for, but I can find that. Always look for what you can find. So B to C is 20.14 minus 12.4. And here we go. Let's clear this out. So we say 20.14 minus, what was it, 12.4? Forget. Minus 12.4. And we get that's 7.74. So B to C is 7.74. And I do believe we're supposed to find A to B, aren't we? So to find A to B, we just use one answer to find another answer is really what we're doing. Take 9.3 minus 7.74. So 9.3 minus 7.74 gives us 1.56. And don't forget your units. 1.56. In this case, they're centimeters. Anything with measurements has to have units unless there are no units at all in the problem. But if I give you units, I probably want units for an answer. And there's page 1.